What a good kid.
What a good baby you are, Bert. What a good baby. What a good baby you are. What a good baby.
There's little Ernie.
What a good baby you are, Bert.
Is that Ernie down there?
Yeah, it
Bert
is.
and Ernie.
Oh, boy.
Wow, look at you. Look at the camera if you're a good boy.
Oh, you're such a good boy.
Okay, never mind. He's not a good boy. Yeah, he's a great boy.
Oh,
Great
I can't
kid.
believe you're such a good boy. Oh, you're going to get a nice treat. You're going to get a nice treat. I just need to get that other one. Can I try and get this one too? Oh, yes. Oh, my baby. I got to get the back, but I'm surprised he's letting us do this. So let's get this. Let's get this, and let me take him from you. And then I'm going to give him a treat, because I don't want him to scratch you. Oh, my big boy. Oh, my big boy.
Is that Bert?
Oh, my big boy. Oh, you're so good.
Kid.
Oh, you're so good. Oh, you're so good. Yes. Where's our treats? Where's
Ernie.
our treats?
Hey,
Where's
little
our
Ernie.
treats? Now, let me get you your treat.
Ernie, come here. See, it's day one. I'm still getting to know him, but that is impressive that cat let him, get them nails cut. Wow, that's amazing. Come on, Ernie. Is that Ernie or Bert? I'm still getting to know him, but man, it's beautiful.
You can tell by the faces after a while, but remember the little tip on the white tail. Where's your treats?
Come on.
Where'd I put your treats, huh? Oh, here's your treats. Okay, I'm gonna give you a treat now. I'm gonna give you a treat.
Ooh, is Ernie getting a treat?
Oh, Bert, you're gonna get some treats.
Oh, that's Bert.
Bert, come here. Come here, Bert. Here, let's get some treats now. Yeah. Yeah, for being such
Oh, that's the meow mix. That's the supreme right there. Gourmet.
Hey, there's some more for being such a good boy. Oh,
Is that little Ernie by my feet? Is he
yes,
sniffing my
I have to grab
pants?
little Ernie and try and get him next. Oh, boy, he just got me in the shoulder about 5 minutes ago.
With what?
His nails. He went to he pawed me. Next, you're next. You're next. You're not as bad as Ernie, but we gotta get your nails now too. Come on. Come on. Let's wrap you nice and let's bundle you all up. Oh, no, you're not gonna you're gonna be the harder one. You're gonna be the harder one. Oh, come on. Come on. Let me wrap you up. Let me wrap you up. Let me wrap you up. Now, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Come on. And then I give you a treat. And
So he doesn't want a pedicure?
I don't think he wants a pedicure. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's gonna be a good boy? Who's gonna be? Oh, well, so much for that one.
All right, recess.
Let me-
Hello.
where's
Hey, is that Bert
let's
or is
get
that Ernie? Is that Ernie or is that Bert? Which one is it?
Ernie.
We got identical twins, but they're not Siamese twins.
Here comes Ernie. See, there's no little white tip on the tail. Here, Ernie. Ernie, here. Here, come here. There's a couple for you. Oh, Bert, you were such a good boy, Bert. Oh, you were such a good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy. Let me give you some more. Here, you can give it to me, maybe. That'll start warming up to you. Here, you give it to him.
Oh, okay. 3 of them. Huh? It's a hat trick for everybody.
You have to put it down. He won't take it out of your hands.
You want it? Oh, there you go.
He won't take it out of he won't take it out of anybody's hands. Oh, goody. Oh, he's so good. He's so good. I can't believe we did that.
Just sat there and let you cut his nails.
I cannot believe that. Now he needs to, would have been nice if I filed him a little bit, but, because that thing wasn't as sharp as it could be. That's what I should have did, huh? I should have filed him. Shouldn't I? Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
We accomplished this today, too. Clean this up, set up a bed. Got the laundry stuff to heat it up all night. Dark room, easy sleeping. Coming from the guy that slept in the truck, it's easy.